అందరికీ నమస్కారం. నేను మీ సుప్రజ, యోగా థెరపిస్ట్. ఈరోజు మనం ధనురాసన చేస్తున్నాము. బిగినర్స్ కూడా అర్ధ ధనురాసన చేయొచ్చు. రెగ్యులర్స్ నార్మల్గా ధనురాసన చేయొచ్చు. ఇది మెయిన్గా మనకి అబ్డామినల్ ఆర్గన్స్ ఇంకా సైడ్ ఫ్యాట్ బాగా తగ్గుతుంది ఈ ఆసన వల్ల. లిటిల్స్ టు ధనురాసన. All of you lie down on your abdomen. Place your both the palms beside your chest, elbows bent closer to your body. Tuck your toes out, chin on the mat. Exhale completely over here. Inhale. Now for beginners, slowly bend your one leg. Bend your right leg. Hold your right ankle like holding a glass. Hold firmly and slowly lift your leg up. Or you can just slightly kick your leg up. Place your weight on the left palm and right. Shift your weight. Look up. Inhale and exhale. Stay here for 10 deep breaths. Slowly while exhaling, come down, chin on the mat, knee on the mat. Slowly leave your palm, leave your ankle. Now place your both the palms beside your chest region. Tuck your toes out, chin on the mat. Hold your left ankle with your left palm firmly. Now inhale, come up, raise your chest up and slightly kick your leg up. Make sure you're shifting your both the weights equally on your right palm and on the left. You're balancing there. Look at any point in the front. Stay there for 10 deep breaths. Slowly while exhaling, knee down and chin down. Slowly leave your ankle. Placing your palms beside your thighs. Relax.